Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nuances of health-related topics based on years of clinical experience and research. Today we are reviewing 5 medical devices most people don't consider when returning home after a knee replacement surgery. In our opinion, these simple yet effective medical devices are often overlooked. We are talking safety, smooth recovery, and overall better outcomes. Not to mention, these devices can prevent many common mistakes, such as overuse, falls, and an overall lack of proper planning. I can't begin to tell you how many times I arrive at a patient's home, and I recommend these devices repeatedly. Our first tool is a leg lift strap. In the initial days post-surgery, getting in and out of bed or a recliner can be a daunting task. These straps are engineered to provide the necessary leverage to maneuver your legs with minimal effort. A simple solution often overlooked yet invaluable in those crucial first days when the knee is yet to stabilize. Transitioning from personal aids to household aids, let's talk about home automation systems. The ability to remotely operate lights, fans, or adjust the room temperature is not just about convenience. Post-surgery, pain medications can sometimes impair balance, increasing the risk of falls. With these smart systems, a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone ensures you're not moving around unnecessarily, a proactive step towards fall prevention. A frequent mistake following knee replacement surgery is missing a medication dose. This brings us to automated medication dispensers, devices engineered to ensure no dose is missed, facilitating precise adherence to your medication schedule. As a home health therapist, I often witness mismanagement of post-operative medications. Skipping a dose can lead to unnecessary pain spikes, hindering recovery progress. Moving on, let's step into the realm of smart wearables with smart socks or insoles. These innovative wearables are designed to correct common gait disturbances such as toe walking, circumduction, or walking in a foot-flat position. A step towards self-awareness, these devices empower you to make real-time adjustments, nurturing a correct gait and a solid foundation for your rehabilitation journey. Last but not least, one of the common pitfalls post-knee replacement surgery is overexertion, which can significantly heighten the risk of falls. Enter the realm of wearable fitness trackers with fall detection, like the Apple Watch. In the unfortunate event of a fall, these smart devices are programmed to alert your emergency contacts instantly, a feature that could be a lifesaver, especially among our older loved ones. We've unveiled medical devices not commonly considered yet, holding the promise of a safer, smoother, and quicker recovery post-knee replacement surgery. Check the links in the description below to explore these devices further. Unconventional? Yes. Beneficial? Absolutely. The road to recovery after knee replacement surgery just got a futuristic upgrade. Subscribe for more insightful discussions, and remember, a smart recovery is a speedy recovery.